Hey guys, it's Chuck from Brady Adventures, and I am going to unbox this the rest of the way and start putting the roof rack together. So look, it says assembly time for the rack 30 minutes, install time for the whole thing once you got it is an hour, so I'm probably going to take 2.5 hours. I'm going to kind of try and lay these out the way that I think they're going to go. Roof rack corner kit. Assuming these are pieces for the corners. And you can see those are nicely wrapped so they don't get damaged. Hex tool for the bolts. So this will go with the corner. I'll leave that together. These are definitely the rack end pieces. Oh, and you can see got a logo on there. We have another end piece. I think this box is going to have some additional side pieces to get the length. Some hardware in there. So I'm assuming this is to connect the two. So these have nuts that are already in there from the factory, and I'm assuming that's going to face down and bolt into the rack side slats. And the first thing it's having me do is put these together. Oh, this particular bag right here has the joiners. I don't think I have this right. Alright, here we go. This could only go one way. Alright, so this big piece here goes right into here. Okay, so this will go in here. And this is going to go yeah.
Look what I found.
Oh, come show me. Bring it over here. What is it?
Look. It's either a skink or
A little salamander.
a salamander.
Yep. Okay. Don't kill him.
I won't.
Alright, now I'm taking this and turning it upside down so those nylock nuts are faced downward. This is going to go into here, just like that. Oh, I guess we want to do all of these on one side first. And it says to skip a hole. So I'm going to turn these over. And then nice tight. All this stuff has a nice tight fit. Now we need to flip it over and do the corner pieces. So there's a little machined in attachment there. I'm thinking that's about right. Yeah, that one fits good. There we go. So last thing is the wind reflector, and I need to flip her over again. The wind reflector is going to sit up on here. You can see it's going to divert wind out to the sides of the rack to keep it from channeling up under. So I got this little bolt. Slide them into the center of the combined slat, making sure that the washer sits above the channel. So I'm going to slide that in. Like that. Okay, and that washer's above, so that's good. And slide it to the center. To the center. There you go. Alright, we're going to do the same thing, except this time we're going to put the washer on the deflector, like that, and drop the nut through, and get the nut just started on the back side here. And then that's going to go in that hole. on. There we go. Washer are both there just like that.
And now we're going to center it on the rack and tighten it up.
Now it's time to get the rack support together. A giant thing of hardware here. These shorter pieces go toward the front, like that. The Frontrunner emblems go outward. Loosely join the front and rear rails. Lots of hardware in here. Okay, these look like the joiner plates. Oh, I see how it goes. Like that. Using M6 16 button head bolts. Flat washers, lock nuts, joiner plates.
Keep an eye out for our next video where we get the rack installed on top of the Land Cruiser. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. And always feel free to leave us any comments or questions that you might have.